Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing video of the most awaited laptop of the year 2020, Dell XPS 9700. We have here the new model which specs Core i7 10th generation, 32GB RAM, 1TB of SSD and 4GB of GTX 1650 Ti graphics. Let's dig in. A good packing. It's a relevantly small looking box compared to the 17-inch for its size. Let's open up. Wow, good packing. It's looking good. Great packing. Wow, branding of Dell. Inside it's XPS branding. It looks beautiful. Let's remove it. See the laptop completely built with metal, aluminium. It's a cooling system. Dell has introduced a new kind of a cooling system which called vaporized cooling. Let's see what's in the box. There's a cable, material, instruction guides and all. Over here we have a adapter, HDMI, type C to HDMI and USB port. Looks small, it's good. We have a 130 volts power brick, power adapter, type C inside. Okay, let's close this and we will start the laptop. We can open it with a single hand. It will turn on by itself and it has got an iris scan in it, so it will scan your eyes and voila, it's on. In a small bezels such like this, with a 93% of body screen ratio to the body, it has a magnificent 4K plus display, which is 3840 by 2400 display resolution. And another good part, over 500 nits of display with a carbon fiber finish, palm rest, good quality, with a 2 watts speaker, a bigger trackpad, a better keys, good key travel. And technically this is 17-inch laptop and it doesn't look like 17-inch. It is almost the same size of a normal 15-inch traditional laptop what we used to have. About the weight, it's around 2.3 kgs around. It has got a Gorilla Glass 6 equipped with 4K plus of display, 16:10 aspect ratio, with over 500 nits of display. It has got 100% sRGB and 99% of Adobe RGB color gamut, where you can, when you are doing designing for the persons who are content creators, video editors, it's the best thing to have a good color accuracy. And this is it, with the best color accuracy laptop in the market. And it has got a 4 Thunderbolt ports, Thunderbolt 3, PCIe 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, all 4 of them with high speed data transfer, with a SD card, full size SD card reader, headphone jack and Kensington lock over on the left hand side. As I have said you earlier, we have right now the specs for this one. It's Core i7 10th generation with 6 core 10750H processor, which has got 32GB of RAM, DDR4 RAM, 1TB of PCIe NVMe SSD and 4GB of GTX 1650 Ti. We have two options in this one, and we have opened a base model. There is one more model with RTX 2060 graphic card. It's another one, and this is equipped with the good cooling system. It has got a best power with a good cooling, which has got a vaporized chamber, which I have said you earlier as well, and it has amazing vaporized cooling system, which is best in the market right now. And the sleek laptop in which they have put the vaporizing cooling system, it's amazing. It comes with the Windows 10 Home preloaded, and it has, as Dell has been partnered with the McAfee, so it comes with the 3 years of McAfee antivirus pre-installed for multiple devices. You can use it on your different devices as well once you log in with your email ID and password. This is Dell XPS 179700. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.